everyone, and welcome to another Stacy Cakes tutorial. Today we're going to be making American Buttercream. Before we get started, if there's a technique or recipe you'd like to learn, please do comment below and I'll do my best to make it for you. So we're going to start off with a pound of butter, a pound of shortening, 500 grams of icing sugar, and 20 milliliters or 4 teaspoons of vanilla. The first thing you want to make sure is that your butter is not too warm and not too cold. You want it about a spreadable consistency. If it's too cold, you're going to get lumps in your buttercream, and if it's too warm, then you're going to have runny buttercream. And both consistencies are not fun to work with, so you're going to want to make sure to cream that really well. Always scrape down the sides, and once your butter is completely creamed, then you can add your shortening. You're going to want to look for the same consistency as the butter, not too hot, not too cold. Temperature is really important in buttercream. So you're going to want to whip the shortening and the butter together on a nice high speed and make sure they're completely combined before you add your sugar in. Scrape down the sides, and then you're going to want to put your mixer on a slower speed to add the sugar. Go on a nice slow speed, and sifted sugar is always best. You'll get the creamiest buttercream if you sift your sugar before you put it in. I like to use 500 grams of sugar in my buttercream to a pound of each butter and shortening. If you like a sweeter buttercream, go ahead and do a full kilogram, but I personally like it a little less sweet. So now you're going to want to add your vanilla in, and then once that vanilla has been mixed in, you're going to turn it onto a high speed and mix it for about 5 to 10 minutes. The more air and the more you mix it, the more air gets into it, and you're going to find a nice light and fluffy consistency. Now this buttercream is fabulous for piping flowers, for covering cakes, and it also stands up in higher temperatures. So it's a really good buttercream to use for all occasions, and it tastes yummy too. So that's it. Happy caking, everybody. Please do like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.